I love watching soaps and chat shows. And the reason why I love doing that is because I often see people in very lovely Jin Shin Jyutsu self-help positions. So people who don't know anything about Jin Shin Jyutsu are already practicing Jin Shin Jyutsu. And in fact, we practiced Jin Shin Jyutsu long before we knew that it had a name. Very often, when there's lots of drama in a soap, the person who is feeling emotionally upset will go into a perfect Jin Shin Jyutsu position. And that Jin Shin Jyutsu position is this: crossing the arms and placing the hands on the upper arms. And actually, this is not a defensive position. It's helping us to breathe, it's helping to clear our waistline, and it's helping to clear our backs as well. But it's also really, really helpful for calming an emotional upset. So when I feel emotionally upset, all I need to do is cross my arms and place my hands on my upper arms. Close your eyes, sit quietly, relax the hands and hold. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope it works for you.